Yo, what is up, guys? We're just gonna do a real quick video. Um, Basically, just wiring up this ESC. We're gonna put that. We're gonna put this ESC. I'll wire it. And we're gonna put it in here. We're gonna take this hobby wing out and see what we can do. See what the capability, because this has got a castle motor in there already, and we're gonna put the sensor. I had to find the sensor wire, but we're gonna put the sensor wire in there that goes with that. So, need this. I gotta clean this up. So I'm in the process of basically like my basement. We're doing installing a pellet boiler. So eventually, a little smoky. But yeah, we're just hold on. I need where's my camera? Alright, just had to make sure which was positive, which was negative, so. Of course, but I mean, whatever. It is what it is. It's fine. No biggie. But yeah, we just gonna just do a quick soldering video of this. So there we go. So we just installed that connector on this micro 2. We installed this, so just a quick 5-minute video. But we'll do some more videos. I got some stuff I gotta fix, but this was gonna go. We're gonna put this in the RC car. We're gonna do it because this has a sensor right here, the sensor cable, so that goes into the motor. So I'm gonna mess with that. See how that. But we'll install this in there. So, thank you for if you're checking this, if you're sorry, yeah. If you're checking out this video, thank you for coming in and checking it out. If you don't mind, thumbs it up, and please subscribe to the channel. And hit the notifications to get all the notifications. You'll be able to know when we post other videos and possibly also go live. Alright, thank you for checking out this video. Alright, later.